bargain. That shit sounds crazy.
YouTube, what is up? It's your boy Jetta back with another video, you feel me? It's something. I haven't picked up the camera in a minute, I'm not gonna lie. I've been doing streams and stuff, y'all. Let me get Arizona. Hold up, I think that's the boy calling right now. Hello? Yeah. I'm at the gas station. Next to.
Gas station right here. Well, I think I just saw you. He's being pulled into the back. Like, well, that's the park.
Alright. I'll be out in a second.
I thought that was interesting. What a Kia niggas park at? Cause I realize it's not really a spot designated for me.
I don't think there's a Kia boy spot.
Yeah, gang.
Well, there's no Kia spots, bro. Like I'm trying to show y'all niggas do this for real.
I don't know about
In a
that.
Kia, like.
Get out and talk to people, I guess.
Alright, where we out?
You gonna go lollygagging?
We went to Dining Hall like 3 times today.
Are we lollygagging that way or that way?
I'm not gonna lie, I might have to fall into the group of
I'm taco.
Chalk Hog Boys. I'm not gonna lie, the rap is nasty, but that's kind of cool.
What type of car is this? Look at that. Is this not a Challenger?
That's a Charger.
It's not a Challenger?
I still can't tell the difference.
Yeah, you're right. It's Charger. Yeah. Challengers is 2 doors. And 2 doors, aren't they? The Challengers 2 doors?
Yeah. Infinity right there. That's what Kev want right there. Q50. And that's an S.
I have the whole crib by myself.
We're throwing a party at Kev's house for spring
Thursday
break.
to next Thursday.
We're throwing a party at Kev's house for spring break. Bro is having a party at his crib.
I'll
let you know when.
Bro.
Project X at Kev's crib. Bring the Zans. He better cut that out. I didn't mean.
Nah, his parking is crazy.
Tune it tonight.
I think I might get a
You fighting?
Huh?
You fighting?
Oh
Babe,
no.
look, it's okay.
For real.
Babe, look.
Get the pop tune.
Yeah, fucking get the tuning.
Why would you show him this?
He put the wallet on it.
I got a phone.
Girl, we was going toe to toe. We was.
Because at the time, my dad was like, "You getting old? Damn, damn. All right, and damn. I don't know what to look at. Let me get close." Anyways, rather than keep the old car.
Tight shit.
Type shit.
Type shit. All right.
I was driving from here as fast as I could.
Jada, I was hikey capping. We was trying to keep up with this nigga, right? Yeah, I'm talking about we're lane switching. I'm cutting up, but I'm talking about I'm doing 100, cutting up through traffic, not even using my turn signals, cutting up through traffic, trying to keep up with this bitch.
No turn signals.
Menace.
Bro, I'm talking about this nigga hit this one cut and took off. I was like, fuck, I can't follow him. Someone.
Wait. No, they usually be cool. They usually be cool.
Hey, Cam. This is the last one. Great vehicles, but a cop pulled up by his lonesome and parked and just started flashing his lights, and everybody left. But we're going to the new location. Say hi, babe. Yeah, that's where we're going. 5 minutes away.
So yes, yeah. Dang, babe, why is it at 4,000? Golly G.
That's why nobody can see your black ass.
All right. It's the low with the Lex. And then they got the drum right there.
The king was out.
They know they bad. They know they bad.
Oh God, he just looked like a bad.
They just know it.
Nah, the horse is
Track is out.
nasty. In a music video. Music video. Nah, that thing is mean, boy.
Hey. That's what we need to hear right now. That's what I'm saying.
We go live.
He gets it.
Oh shit, it's all live.
Are we live? Yo!
It's Right Side Drive. It's Right Side Drive. It's straight from Japan.
Imported. Oh my god, this shit's imported. Come on, boy, bought it.
Yo.
relajado, no sentía nada aquí.
Yo.
También yo le estaba haciendo el carro al aire.
Come on, bro. I can literally see my reflection with this dog. These your boys to see this. Bro, purple beam is just so sexy, bro. If I get a beam, this is gonna be fun.
Babe, they got the baby out here.
Yeah, baby got a baby. You think he puts groceries in the trunk still?
This nigga did not take that shit off his garage.
Whoa, nigga.
This shit does not leave that in the driveway. This shit stays on the driveway. I can tell.
That's strictly for car meets, bro.
Strictly for car meets.
Them trucks, bro.
Y'all don't hear that shit, boy?
Got shut down again, y'all. They got shut down again, y'all.
Got shut down again. But we was actually there for a good amount of.
A good amount.
Yeah.
Yo. Yo, because they're doing burnouts. With the tires, that's like.
Did they say no burnout?
Yeah.
We ain't gonna jump out the post.
Cause the streets was calling our name, bro. Had it happen again.
Man,
Like
you know?
and subscribe, man.